The Kamin Science Center is undergoing a massive transformation, adding many new state-of-the-art exhibits. One of them opens Saturday, but tonight, Barry Pintar has our first look at Sports 360.
Yeah, if you remember a few months ago, the Kamin Science Center is now the new name of the Kamin Science Center, the most visited museum in Pittsburgh. The name change came after a very large donation from the Kamin family that will bring with it a lot of changes to this center. Today, we got to look at one of those first changes, and it's all about sports.
You have to do high knees here, so you do like...
The grown-ups lay out the instruction, and off they go. And so goes the hands-on experience of the Sports 360 exhibit and the Science Center. Colorful, large, 9,500 square feet, lots to do, and a big hit with the kids. Think of what you're seeing so far in terms of this museum.
It's cool, I'm not gonna lie. I like this new exhibit.
Sports meets science. Behind the fun, a lot of learning to be had, now in permanent residence in one of the biggest sports towns in the world. Pittsburgh is such a huge sports town, so I'm guessing this is going to resonate well in your expectations.
That's our hope anyway. People love sports so much here in Pittsburgh that it seemed like a no-brainer that we would also highlight the science and technology in sports.
These students getting this preview before everything officially opens to the public this coming Saturday. A new era at the Science Center, backed by all of the experience that's made it a go-to for years.
I grew up going here all the time for field trips, and it's always been really cool, especially like the sports center, and I learned so much here.
For kids, or is it for everyone?
The Science Center is for everyone, so I think that people for a long time have started to believe that the Science Center was only a place for kids, and so our whole strategy moving forward is that we are a place for everyone.
So not to take away from this exciting new exhibit, but this is one of the ones everyone is waiting for, the Science of Speed. Remember these images that we showed you a few months ago? It created quite a buzz. People very excited about another change coming here soon. This one will happen in the summer of 2026. Reporting at the Kamin Science Center in Pittsburgh, Barry Pintar, KDKA-TV News.